interregional public organization, Association of Veterans, Disabled People and Pensioners, has been realizing social projects aimed at improving the quality of seniors' lives since 1997. Over the years of its activity, the association has gained a big communication and work experience with those who stepped over the pension age. We always follow our motto: the world has changed and we are changing together. Among AVIP's projects, a social program of free computer literacy courses for senior citizens' grandparents online takes on its place. It was founded in 2008 and was the first in Russia to solve the problem of digital divide in the society. Today the program is implemented in 65 regions of Russia. Besides regular classes and providing online support to the graduates, Grandparents Online holds masterclasses, seminars, contests and ceremonial events. Special attention is paid to a volunteer movement, one of the most important parts of Grandparents Online program. A youth volunteer club, Grandchild, has been working since 2009. With its help, grandmothers and grandfathers become full members of Information Society. We are glad that young people don't stand aside and actively participate in life of senior generation, also supporting and developing other projects of association. The year 2014 has become a starting point for some new interesting projects. They desire to show that life in retirement can be one of the most interesting and exciting periods of life, unite them all. A project Space of Beauty Power brightly debuted on the stage of International Forum Senior Generation, presenting a final parade of a beauty contest among ladies over 55 years old to a big audience. And on the New Year's Eve show, called Old Fashioned Day, the models of Power Agency clearly demonstrated that beauty, elegance and style have no age limits. There are also consultations on helping seniors to create their own style, face and body care, choosing clothes and accessories. The aim of a social tourism project Travel Club Yula is to develop tourism among Russian pensioners. Traveling makes life rich and bright. To travel in the company of friends and co-evals is much more interesting. Group tours are organized on a high level and are both fascinating and affordable. The project is supported by the government of St. Petersburg as socially important. We organize group tours to Russia and abroad based on cultural exchange principles. There are also English courses and regular meetings for pensioners. A social computer service, a project that is both new and old, because it works on the base of a technical department that has been supporting Grandparents Online program and its graduates since 2008. A social computer service offers a full range of computer assistance, including help and techniques purchase, repair, software installation, internet connection. There is an initiative in the frames of the project to transfer used and repaired computers given as a donation to the members of the association. AVIP pays a lot of attention to organizing leisure activities for people of senior generation. These are assistance in getting privilege tickets to the theaters of St. Petersburg, arranging city excursions, acting skill courses, cooking competitions, meetings and parties. We see that our work is in demand and happy to notice the increasing amount of seniors with an active life position, proving that life after retirement just begins.